we are now looking at test paper solution of not for profit organization. Test paper solution. आपको दिया है state with reasons whether following are true or false. First, scholarship granted to students out of funds provided by government will be debited to income expenditure account. False. If you have received funds from government, that means if you have received a donation for a specific purpose, donation received specifically to provide scholarships will be shown separately on liability side. And when scholarships are given, those scholarships given should be deducted from that donation. So that scholarship which is being given won't be debited to income expenditure. Correctly, it will be deducted from donation for scholarship in liabilities. So it's a false statement. Fees received for life membership is a revenue receipt. False. Fees received for life membership is a one-time receipt. That member is never again going to pay that membership fees. He is paying it once for the lifetime. So that life membership fees is our capital receipt, not our revenue receipt. Second is also a false statement. Question 2, you are asked to show the difference between receipt and payment and income expenditure account. So for that, refer our theory notes. The difference is very clearly given there. Question 3, from the following information, you are supposed to prepare opening and closing balance sheet. You are supposed to prepare opening as well as closing balance sheet. So we are supposed to prepare a balance sheet on 31/3/2019 and balance sheet on 31/3/2020. So first, you are given opening balance of building 30,000. Opening balance of building will appear in opening balance sheet first of all. And this is subject to depreciation of 10%. So closing balance of building will be recorded after deducting that depreciation of 10%. Same way, furniture subject to depreciation of 10%. So there is no opening balance of furniture. You are only given closing balance of furniture, and that closing balance of furniture is also before deducting depreciation. So after deducting depreciation of 10%, balance in furniture account will be rupees 9,000. Stock of sports material. Now, we are not supposed to show stock of sports material. Sorry. In income expenditure account, we are supposed to show consumption of sports material. In balance sheet, opening balance sheet, we will simply show opening stock of sports material 2,500. And in closing balance sheet, closing stock of sports material 1,000. Prepaid insurance. Opening balance is 1500. Closing balance of prepaid insurance is 3000. Outstanding subscription. Opening balance 6000. And closing balance of outstanding subscription 4000. Advance subscription 3000. Closing balance of advance subscription 2000. Outstanding locker rent. Closing balance only is given. That is locker's rent receivable. Advance locker rent received 1000. Outstanding rent for go down. Outstanding rent for go down, that is go down rent payable 3000. And outstanding go down rent closing balance. Closing balance of outstanding go down rent is 1500. 12% general fund investments. General fund investments 1 lakh. About closing balance, nothing is given. They are not even specifying that there is some additional investment purchased or some of the investments are being sold. If no information is given, that same amount will appear as our closing balance. 12% general fund investments. Accrued interest on above, that is accrued interest on these general fund investments. That is interest receivable. Interest receivable is also our asset. Cash balance opening is 500. Closing cash balance 32,000. Bank balance opening 1000. Bank overdraft 1000. Closing is not bank balance but bank overdraft. Now there is some also additional information given. Entrance fees received is 10,000, and if no further information is specified, we always capitalize full entrance fees. They are saying entrance fees 60% and 40% of life membership fees are of revenue nature. So we can say if entrance fees of 60% is of revenue nature, we need to capitalize 40% of entrance fees. So that 40% of entrance fees which we are supposed to capitalize will be added to capital fund. $4,000, 40% of 10,000. Life membership fees received is 10,000, 40% is revenue. So 60% we are supposed to capitalize. Life membership fees, 60% of life membership fees will be capitalized. 60% of 10,000 will be 6,000. Surplus from income expenditure account is 30,000. Will be added to balance of capital fund or general fund. So now we will firstly close our opening balance sheet. $141,500. Difference will be our capital fund, or we may also call it our general fund. Clear? Pause and copy. Question 4, friends. From the following receipt and payment account of Superb Recreation Club for the year ended 31st March 20 and additional information which is given, you are supposed to prepare income expenditure account and balance sheet. Receipt and payment account is given. In additional information, other assets and liabilities are given. And then depreciation shall be charged at 10%. Legacies received is capital income. Anyways, it shall be capitalized. Investments of 20,000 were made in 12% securities on 1st June 15. Due date of interest is 31st of March. Stock of sports material on 31st March 20 were useless and valued at nil price. So considering these informations, we are supposed to prepare income expenditure and balance sheet. Since capital fund information is not given, we are also preparing a balance sheet of last year, opening balance sheet. So we'll start with whatever information we come across, we'll keep on recording that. First of all, you are given opening balance in receipt and payment. That is opening balance of cash and bank 3180. Last year's balance sheet. Subscription 18,000. Membership fees we are receiving is 18,000. Received in current year is 18,000. Now in opening balances, subscription in arrears current year, outstanding in current year is 1,000. And that outstanding subscription in current year will also appear in this year's balance sheet. साथ में ही दूसरा इफेक्ट देते जाना है. Subscription which was outstanding last year, वो लास्ट ईयर की बैलेंस शीट में शो किया होगा, would be there in last year's balance sheet. Outstanding subscription 2,000 and will be deducted from income in current year. Subscription pre-received in current year 400 and will appear in this year's balance sheet. And subscription received in advance last year 500 will be added. And that pre-received subscription in last year would have been shown in last year's balance sheet. वो last year की balance sheet में होगा. So amount transferred to this year's income expenditure will be how much? 18 and 1 19 minus 2 17 plus 1 17,100. In our income expenditure account, income side will show income from subscription. Sale of old newspapers 2,500. Legacy is 4,000. Since it is to be capitalized, it will be added to capital fund. Legacy is 4,000. Interest on investment 2,000. That is our income. Now, how much investment was there? Investments of 20,000 were made in 12% securities. So interest on 20,000 at 12% comes to 2,400. But we have only received interest of 2,000. So interest of 400 is still accrued, due but not received, outstanding. Interest on investment 2,000 plus outstanding interest 400. Endowment fund receipts 20,000. That is donation received for a specific purpose. Proceeds of concerts 4020. Advertisements. For advertisements, we have received in our yearbook 5,000. Secretary's salary 12,000. Staff salary is 25,000. Charities, these are donations given 1,000. Printing and stationery 600. Postage expenses 120. Rates and taxes 1,500. For maintenance of land, we have paid 2,000. Purchase of sports material, we have purchased sports material of 10,000. And fourth adjustment, they are saying none of it is remaining in balance. It is treated entirely useless. So entire amount of sports material purchased will be treated as our expense. Sports material, we would say entirely is consumed during the year. Telephone expenses 3,480. Closing balance of cash and bank 3,000. Then you are given opening balance of furniture. Opening balance of furniture will appear in opening balance sheet. Closing balance shall be after deducting depreciation of 10%. And depreciation on furniture will appear in our expenses. Opening balance of land 10,000 is given. And since there is no purchase or sale, that same will appear in closing balance. Land पे depreciation charge होता है? Do we charge depreciation on land? No. So no depreciation on land will be charged. Lastly, investments of 20,000 were made. They were not made this year. They were made in 2015. So these investments will appear in opening balance sheet. And since they are not purchased or sold, they will also appear in closing balance sheet. 31020. $24,880 is our deficit. Will be deducted from capital fund. $36,680 is your capital fund. 36,680 is your capital fund.